National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pickaway County, central Madison County, southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, eastern Clark County, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:24 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Plattsburgh, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include London, West Jefferson, Grove City. In addition, Brighton, Choctaw Lake, Newport, State Route 29 and State Route 38, Plumwood, Lafayette, Madison Lake and Big Plain are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 59 and 98, Interstate 71 between mile markers 82 and 103. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
A severe